Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2021 Ram 3500 Heavy Duty Bighorn. Coming in this nice dark gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a bed liner with this vehicle as well. We do get fender flares, extended running boards that go to the bed so you can grab stuff from the back, mud flaps on the rear, trailer tow mirrors that are heated, mud flaps on the front, I just said that, fender flares on the front park sensing with two recovery hooks, license plate bracket, and that nice Ram grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray and black cloth interior, plenty of door space. You have cloth accents on the door, floor mats. You can get a little storage cubby down there. You can lift your seats up for an interior work surface or lift it up that way for under storage. Same with over there. Cup holders there, storage with outlets, and 115 volt. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space. Got your lights and 115 volt outlet with your parking brake and trunk hood opener right there. And we do get pedal adjusters. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 108,706 kilometers. We do get a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. We have your cruise control, gears, toggle-free screen, voice, phone, modes, and volumes behind the steering wheel. And looking here, we do get our digital speedometer, vehicle info, off-road info, fuel economy, trip info, trailer tow, audio, messages, screen setup, commercial settings, and so on and so forth. Here, we get tons of storage. You got phone slots. You got this that slides in and out, cup holders, more outlets here, another little phone slot, leather-wrapped center console that does, have a USB and other storage options. And you do get your measurements right here, which is pretty convenient, and you do get a light and more storage under there. We have our trailer brake, four-wheel drive. You have your auxiliary switches, tow and haul, engine brake, front and rear park sensing, tune, screen off, volume, mute. You got your climate controls on the side here as well, and touchscreen, hazards and traction, 12 volt and an Alpine sound system. We got storage above, and it slowly goes up, but there you go, and the Bighorn logo, storage in your glove compartment. Above me, we do have our features for our powered rear window opener, which is pretty nice. You got your SOS and assist, and a garage door transmitter. Looking here, we have our backup camera. You have heated front seats, heated steering wheel. You got your cargo camera as well. And we're just gonna go back. You got your climate. We're gonna go home real quick. You have your audio, which has Bluetooth, AM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, aux. You got your media controls here. Your seat controls, heated steering wheel. Climate, any apps you may download will show up right here. Travel link, controls, off-road pages, your navigation, backup camera again, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB45406A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.